Hi, it's Sandy. I wanted to share a self-help tip today, one of releasing your jaw. And I was thinking today as a massage therapist, I really miss helping people to alleviate their pain and to help them to down-regulate or let go of some of their stress. And I thought, how can I do that? How can I help? And so this is it. So we're gonna work on our jaw today, and we tend to hold a lot of tension in our jaws, both subconsciously and consciously, mostly I think subconsciously. I think anger, frustration, when we feel like we don't really have control over something, we kind of like hang on with our jaws. All sorts of reasons or things. We use them a lot and talk a lot. And so we're just gonna do some self-massage with our hands to help us to down-regulate. So if you have any sleep issues, you've been waking up with anxiety lately, this is for you. So you're gonna find your cheekbones and then go ahead and slide down maybe an inch or inch and a half below, and then clench and unclench your teeth. And you see as I'm clenching and unclenching that my jaw muscle, my masseter muscle is pushing into my fingers. Right, so that's how you know you're on the right spot. And then begin to create a little circular massage here. And I'm pressing in a little bit, but always just be conscious of your body and how like this touch, even your own touch, feels to you. Right? Just doing this in a loving and compassionate way. And when I think about, like, in reverse direction if you haven't, when I think about how much pressure is effective pressure, it's anywhere between a discomfort level of maybe a 2 and a 7 on that 1 to 10 scale. So find what works best for you. And then you're gonna go ahead and press inwards and then open and close your mouth a few times. As wide as you comfortably can. And you can even move your fingers up a little, down a little. Right, towards your ears a little, towards your mouth a little. And I'm just gonna explore how that feels. Good, we'll do this again and open your mouth, but this time stick your tongue out. It's all part of releasing the jaw. And you can do that a few times as well. And we can go ahead and kind of slide upwards a few times now from the jawline up to the cheekbone. This is also a great little kind of facelift, working on the fascial layers as well. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, all right, and then let it go. Just take a moment to close your eyes, go inside and observe the sensations or the feelings that are present for you in your jaw. Right. And maybe even noticing if you maybe feel a little less stress. So I hope this helps, and hope you get a good night's sleep. It's a great thing to do before you go to bed at night. I once, when I was first learning it, taught this in the beginning of a yoga class. I learned not to do that anymore because we just were like, oh, tired, like the whole time. So this is a great way to help just to feel good. Thanks.